Hi everyone. In this video, I will talk about co-creation process in hospital setting. First, I will explain our approach to co-creation. Second, I will describe the process of co-creation. Then, I will explain how to set up a co-creation session. We employ designerly co-creation approach and set up co-creation sessions in the hospital setting. Co-creation, in our case, helps us to develop sustainable solutions and serves as an incubation space for sustainability innovation in healthcare. Our co-creation process is guided by designerly perspective. This means we use system thinking, and designerly skills such as visualizing, mapping, and prototyping to both design and facilitate the session. But also, the sessions that we organize often focuses on developing circular medical devices or systems. The co-creation process includes three main phases: conducting prerequisite activities, designing and implementing co-creation session, post-co-creation session, where we collect reflections after each session. Prerequisite activities are essential. The aim of these activities is to make the context ready for co-creation and also create a base for material design. This phase includes creative activities such as designing a medical device, context-related activities such as understanding the hospital context and nurturing relationship with hospital staff, and also research activities to gather information about the problem, which is often fragmented and distributed across various parts of the organization. Designing co-creation session includes three stages. First, we define the aim by asking, what do we want to achieve together? For example, do we want to validate our findings, explore further needs, or generate sustainable solutions? Second, we clarify the desired outcome by asking what result would make the session successful. This may include identifying requirements for a medical device design, system or service-related requirements, or the design of a circular system. Then, we design the structure of the session, tailoring it to the defined aim. We identify the required tasks and steps and determine what type of information needs to be brought into the session. Based on this, we prepare a protocol that outlines the complete flow of the co-creation session. Next, we determine what types of tools and materials are needed to support participation and engagement. We then begin designing these tools and materials through an iterative process, during which we create multiple prototypes. Here you can see an example of the tools and materials we use during a co-creation session. Thank you for listening.